Hi, this is Matt from GravityWiz. Today we'll be building an auto-progression workflow in Gravity Forms using GravityPerks page transitions. We'll hide the next and previous buttons so the form moves to the next page automatically. Let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is install and activate GP Page Transitions in Spellbook. Now that's done, let's head over to our form. Our form is a customer feedback form. We have a bunch of radio fields asking customers how their transaction went. You'll see that each radio field is on its own page in the form. If we preview the form as it is, you'll see that we need to click the Next button each time we select our answer. In order to set up the auto-progression, we need to head back to the form editor. Next, open the settings for the pages by clicking on the Start Paging field. Now let's scroll down to the Perks tab and enable Auto Progression. This will automatically progress the form as we interact with it. Let's save the form and see how it behaves now. You'll see that as soon as we make a selection in the radio field, the form progresses to the next page. However, the next and previous buttons are still visible. To hide them, we'll need to head back to the page settings on the form editor. Under the Perks tab, we're also going to enable the Hide Next button and Hide Previous button settings. You don't have to hide both if you don't want to. They can be hidden independently. So you could hide the Next button, but keep the Previous button, for example, to allow users to go back and make changes. Let's save the form again and take a look at it now. You'll see the form still progresses automatically, but this time the Next and Previous buttons are hidden. It's worth noting, auto-progression doesn't just work on radio fields. It supports a whole host of fields such as drop-downs, date fields, and even text fields. Some fields are only supported in specific circumstances, but you can see a full list of supported fields and any caveats in the documentation. I hope this video has been helpful in learning how to create forms with hidden Next and Previous buttons that automatically progress. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please reach out to support, where one of our support wizards will be more than happy to help.